So what's in the package of the Elgato Stream Deck XL? Start out with a manual. Then here we immediately have the Stream Deck XL. Elgato wraps all these things in non-plastic. So this is the Elgato Stream Deck XL. There's a little bit of plastic on this one though, but I think they couldn't go around it. There we go. There's anti-slip on the back. You can remove this stand bit if you want. And we need to if you want to put in the cable. This is the cable. It's a special material around the cable itself. What we need to do is we need to get it through the stand first if you want to use the stand, so make sure that it goes through it. Like this. And then push it in the side here. Because now if we push this on it, the cable comes out on the back. This side we need to do in the USB port of your computer. There's also a warranty guide in here as well, and I think that's it. That's it.